In this video, I'm going to tell you about mailmodo's affiliate program and how much you can earn as an affiliate. But first, what exactly is mailmodo? Mailmodo is an email marketing platform that enables the creation and sending of interactive AMP emails to boost engagement and conversions. For your convenience, I've actually included the link to mailmodo in the description of this video. Later in the video, I'm going to show you how much money I made as an affiliate for a different software company where I made really short videos on this channel that you're watching, and it still made a surprising amount of money, even though most of the videos only got like 10 views. And if you're serious about affiliate marketing, maybe you want to quit your job or you want some extra income on the side, I'm going to tell you the best way to get started as a complete beginner at the end of the video, so you definitely don't want to miss that. Now let's take a look at the mailmodo affiliate program. So as you can see on their website, you can register to become an affiliate, and then you get your unique affiliate link. You can start promoting that everywhere, and anytime someone signs up and become a customer, you earn commissions. Now, you actually earn 20% recurring monthly commissions directly to your account for every paid customer you can actually refer. So if you get like a bunch of customers, you can actually stack your income. So for example, if you get someone signing up to the max plan, then that's like $32 you're going to be making every single month for as long as they stay subscribed. And that can add up to a lot of money, especially once you start getting like tens or even hundreds of people signing up. Now let me show you how much money I made promoting the other software that I mentioned earlier. So here's my dashboard for ScaleNut, which is a content creation platform that uses AI to help people with their SEO so that you can get found in search results. As you can see, with just 11 clicks on my affiliate link, I got one person to sign up to ScaleNut, and this one sign up has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now this says unpaid earnings because they had a minimum threshold of $50, which it didn't meet last month. So in this payment cycle, this money will actually get released to me. Now 89 bucks might now sound like a lot of money until you look at the videos on my channel that actually led to this result. These are some of the videos that I posted on my channel: Show Me Software, ScaleNut versus Jasper, only 15 views, 24 views, 10 views, 2 views, right? 3 views, 7 views. So I have like about 10 or so videos about ScaleNut posted, and mostly they're very short videos, like 2-minute videos, and they have very, very few views, and that has already made me almost $90 in commissions. Now the person who signed up, as long as they stay subscribed to ScaleNut's subscription plan, every single month I'm going to earn about $45. So this number is going to continue to go up most likely. Now imagine scaling this strategy up and having dozens or even hundreds of super short videos on your channel, each with an affiliate link. You can stack your monthly commissions and start making life-changing income way faster than most people realize. Now the problem is that most people don't understand the strategies to actually have a successful affiliate marketing business, because you can't just spam random content and throw your affiliate link around everywhere if you want to make serious money. I would recommend trying out Wealthy Affiliate, which is one of the oldest and most trusted affiliate marketing education platforms in the world. So as you can see on their website, they've been around for almost 20 years with over 2.6 million people who signed up for their training. And the best part is that you can actually get started completely for free with no credit card required. So if I log into my dashboard here on Wealthy Affiliate, you can see that they have lots of classes. You can learn about YouTube and copywriting and affiliate marketing through social media and email marketing. So you really learn how to make money with affiliate marketing on Wealthy Affiliate, and it's an absolutely amazing platform. So you can use the link in the description to get started with Wealthy Affiliate completely for free. And if you want to try out ScaleNut, then I also included the link in the description for that. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns in the comment section, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching.